Yeah, welcome back YouTubers, welcome back YouTube, welcome back YouTube. And it's your boy Yoko Patrick. I'm back again. It's your boy. I'm here again. I told you with my previous video that I'll be giving you people all sort of content. I'll be sharing my knowledge, what I'm learning, what I'm still going, how the journey is still going to you guys now. So I'm back again. Actually, I told you guys before that my analysis of my system is just supply and demand, support and resistance. Just that I don't do much. I don't even stress myself, because you know that this game is just all about yourself. If you can control yourself, you can work on yourself, you'll be able to make money from this thing. That's just it. It's nothing to stress about. So now I told you guys before that the market, if you watch my previous video, you know that I said something like, if the market should break past this level that we are buying, but if not, we are gonna look for a sell. And I told you guys that the market is going to reverse from here, in which the market has done it already. So I'm actually waiting for the price to hit my TP. That's just it. You don't stress for it. That's just it. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share. Also give me a reaction. React to it. You see how the market is going. I'm trading live. And if you need any of this information, you can also hit me up. You check my video description, you see a link there on my profile, see my Instagram, so you can DM me there. If you need any of this content, or you need any of my system, or the way I trade, or want to know, you can DM me on Instagram. So that's how the market is moving now. You don't stress, you just have to work on yourself. Just work on yourself. Leave the chat alone. Don't chase money, chase a better life. That is just it. But I might, if I see a kind of signal, I might close this trade from here, because there is a possibility of the market going up from that place. You see, this is what they call supply and demand. I'm not using smart money, I'm not using ACMC, retail strategy. I don't even know all those things. This is what I'm using to make money. This tells you that you don't need to be perfect to make it. You don't need to be perfect. You just have to do what's needful. So that's how it's going. Let me show you guys the video that I did. I was talking about this. So you guys should go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the like button for your boy. Let's grow together. You don't need to be perfect. If you're waiting for perfection, you're not gonna be perfect. You work your way out. I'm not even looking for what it's like with yourself. And that's the yeah guys, it's your boy. Although I did something, I did change something, so you guys should go watch it out for me. know this life, there's how someone can just be without knowing anything. Don't even have knowledge of the person can not even spell. The person does not know even how to talk. But the person has money. Do you know what? The person can control himself. The person can work on himself. The person is comfortable with himself. That is how the magic is done. Like I said, I won't be revealing a secret to you guys because I don't want you guys to pass through what some people are passing through or what me have passed through. So, you see how this shit is going now. If possible, we are going to wait for the market to hit the TP. If not, let us close the trade. I'm also trading live before close the trade. So guys, you guys should tell me how my video is going. Are you hearing me? Am I speaking well? What do you want me to do? You guys should tell me so that because as I'm developing, I'm also gonna be giving you guys a secret. It's not hard. I'm fucking telling you it's not hard. Just follow one particular system. You'll see money. This is like checkouts. Just check out the risks to reward. Just check my previous video, you understand? I'm not capping it, just giving you guys facts. Meanwhile, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and also give me some reaction. Even if you want good, thumbs up,